Hello everyone, welcome to part 162 of Laravel 10 series in which we're getting the e-commerce website. So in this video, we are going to show tracking details to the user in my order section. Okay, so in the last video, in the last few videos, in fact, we are working on the orders module and we have done this update order status functionality and we able to show all the logs here as well, all the orders log, all the order status logs we have shown in the admin panel, and we have also shown the tracking details to the user. See, we have shown tracking details in the admin panel, not to the user right now, but now we are going to show in the user account as well. See, we are sending these tracking details to the user, okay, in email. I'm going to open the email as well that we are sending. Okay, so here I'm going to open the code, and here I'm going to open that email that we are sending to the user. Tracking details in the email that we are already sending to the user. I'm going to open mailtrap.io, and here I'm going to log in. So you can see this is the email that we are sending to the user whenever the order is shipped. Your order has been shipped with below tracking details, courier name as well as the tracking number. That thing also we have able to do. Okay, we have done. Okay, so now we are going to show these order status, the history of the order status to the user as well, in the user my account as well, in the my orders. So we are going to work on this thing. So I'm going to log in into the user account, Amit 100, I think Amit 100 at the rate of uopmed.com. So I'm going to log in into this account, and here I will go to the account here, and will go to the my orders, and in my orders here you can see, here we can go in view details, and see, I'm going to open the order ID 9 that are having the order status, that are having the logs, okay, orders logs. So we are going to show these order logs here, that they are at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to take this section, and then we'll show the order logs that we are showing in the admin as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open that order detail blade file and in front, and but before that we are going to do one more thing. We are going to add the log. So I'm going to open the order controller at the front, and here I'm going to update this order details with the log. Okay, uh, log relation, we are already having the log relation, so I'm going to attach this log relation here. I'm going to check whether the log is coming or not. I'm going to check here. See, we are getting the log also. See, all the logs we are having here, history of the order we are having here. Okay, so this history we are going to show. Now see, I'm going to check here, like package 1. I'm going to search for the package. So this is the thing that I'm going to copy this one. This complete div is required, so I'm going to copy and will put it at the bottom, and after that I will remove the unwanted code. I'm going to see here, I'm going to write here order logs, order logs, and also it will show the tracking details, and see, placed on this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to manage this one. We can remove this one, is not required. Okay, so these are not required, and here inside this I'm going to put the logs. I'm going to open the order details blade file at the admin, and that will help us to copy that code. Here we can copy that logs code. Okay, so this one This for each loop I'm going to copy from here. It will save our time, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, like this. So I'm going to check once. I'm going to see here that how it looks. See, it is not looking. It is looking very bad. Okay, so see, I'm going to see where I'm going to undo, and uh, I'm going to see that where we can this one order log and tracking details. We are going to check here this uh, here if I will add here. Let's see. Here then see, now it looks better. Okay, so so we acquire heading as well. uh, some heading or this one, uh, so that we are going to add like order details, like we are having the order details here, so we can also add it like this. Before this, here we can add order logs. Let's see if it will look fine. Where order logs, not here. See, sorry, going to copy this one, and we are going to add here only, in this part. See here once, dash box. Okay, before this, here order logs. So we are going to check this one. Okay, so now see, now what we are going to do, we are going to add one break as well here. Okay, so now it looks better, you can see. Okay, so we are having the complete logs of the orders, and this one, this horizontal row, we can make it like this, little bit light. Okay, so complete logs we can show it like this. Okay, shipped, okay, courier name, tracking number, so all the details are coming, and also order logs as well as the tracking details also we can show like this. Okay, order logs and tracking details. So see, like order details are coming, and here orders logs and tracking details are coming. Okay, we can also add one more break though, so that it so we can separate that, sorry, not here, order logs, and here we are required one more break. Okay, so that we can show it like this. So it seems to be fine. So like this we can able to show order logs and tagging details in the user my account my order sections, as well in the order details, and also you can align this as well. Okay, so make sure that you will align your code, like we have aligned earlier part as well. So this one, we can also align, like this one will go inside of for each loop like this. Okay, so that it will look fine, like span, after that strong will come, This one will we need to do it like this. Okay, so okay, so align it like this. So now it seems to be fine. Okay, so that's all for now. In the next video we will work on the order invoice as well, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.